Hey, this is a little off topic, but I feel like I gotta share this. If you were blessed with every gift out there, best basketball player, best singer, best actor, best at everything that we just sit back and go at all at when we see others do it. I'm sitting here listening to this person sing and it just giving me chills up and down my arm. And I'm thinking, wow, would I really appreciate it this much if I can sing better? If I can play better than Michael Jordan in basketball? Would I be just like at awe and felt like I just witnessed a piece of history? I think you know what I'm talking about. I think it's quite a gift to not be blessed with everything. Maybe not even anything. Maybe you can't sing. Maybe you can't act. Maybe you're not that good at basketball. Maybe, the list goes on. But isn't it a gift when you can experience the beauty in life that other people are bringing? You can experience that. You can get those chills up down your arms and maybe even bring tears to your eyes. Life is a gift.